Let's delve into the usage of the dash dash no parameter in Midjourney. To use this parameter, simply add dash dash no to the end of the prompt, followed by the word or phrase you wish to suppress or negate. For instance, a serene mountain lake, photography, dash dash no pines. If you observe closely, only one of these three images has pine trees. If I omit dash dash no pines, then, as we can see here, a typical serene mountain lake has many pine trees. The second point to note is that dash dash no is not always potent enough to suppress archetypal detail on its own. For instance, if you prompt a unicorn dash dash no horn or a cowboy dash dash no hat, the system will still generate images of a unicorn with a horn and a cowboy with a hat. This is because unicorns have horns and cowboys wear hats, as per the archetype, which is a term the Midjourney prompt craft community uses for the dominant representation of the thing in the training data. Overcoming archetypes is a subject for another video. The third point to share is that the community often finds that negating single words like dash dash no pines may not work as effectively as negating full concepts like dash dash no pine trees growing on the shore. Let's take a look at this in action with serene mountain lake photography. Dash dash no, pine trees growing on the shore. Using dash dash no with a whole phrase did not improve its strength over using it with a single word in this example. But experimenting with this can sometimes yield more effective results and is worth exploring as a troubleshooting step. Since your experience with dash dash no may vary, we recommend positive prompting instead. For example, if you want a unicorn with no horn, you actually want a white magical horse, right? A unicorn without a horn is a horse. Describing what it looks like rather than saying what it is the better way to tackle issues of negation and to not rely so heavily on the dash dash no parameter in Midjourney. We hope this information proves helpful.